Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Satyam. So today we have to do English poem A Legend of Northland of Beehive, class 9th NCRT. So this is very easiest poem. From this poem, a long question can become in 8 marks, and it's easy to translate. So, in this poem, there are two characters, a old woman and Saint Peter. Uh, Old woman have a shop of cake, एक केक की शॉप है उसकी. सेंट पीटर जाता है उनकी शॉप पे केक के लिए. जो आप अभी आपको मैं पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ाऊँगा पोएम. आपको उससे क्लियर हो जाएगा. इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है बहुत. So let's move to the first stanza. The first stanza is away, away in the northland, where the hours of day are few, and the nights are so long in winter that the people cannot sleep them through. So I'm reading again. Away, away in northland, where the hours of the day are few, and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. So few means small, मतलब थोड़ा. And the nights are so long. पहले मैं मतलब बता रहा हूँ हर चीज़ के. That what do they stand for here? They stand for people of Northland. People of Northland. So what is the stanza means? Away, away in Northland, where the hours and days are few, and the nights are so long in winter that the people of Northland cannot sleep them through. Means दूर दूर means at the Northland, where the hours of day passed. Day के hours कहाँ passed होते हैं. और night are so long in winters, so the people of Northland cannot sleep them through. So they cannot sleep through. So where the next move through second stanza, where the harness the shift the where the harness shift reindeer to the sledges when it snows, and the children look like bear cubs in their funny furry clothes. So where the harness the shift means very fast. Here here as figure of speech is there. The line children look like beer cups, it's simile. And one more figure of speech, funny furry clothes, electrician. So wear the harness with the sweet, wear the harness very fast, minder to the sledge reindeer when it snows. The reindeer there. So who they stand for here? They stand for people of Northland. They tell them, वो कहते हैं, a strange, curious means strange, story. Don't I here stand for poet. I here stand for poet. Don't believe it's true, and yet you may learn lesson if I tell. So tale to you. You here stand for the readers who are reading this poem. So they tell them a curious, the people of Northland tell them a strange story, डरावनी. And the poet don't believe it's true. Poet मानता नहीं है कि वो true है या नहीं. And yet you may learn a lesson. So the poet don't believe that it is true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell you a tale to you. अगर मैं आपको बताऊं इन रीडर्स को. So this is part 1 of my video, and rest of the stanzas we discuss in another part, means part 2. First of all, I will explain the poet पोएट रह गया था. So this the legend of Northland, the poet of this poem is Poppy Carey. He is an American poet. Only few this. So next stanza. Once then, so next move to fourth stanza. Once when the good Saint Peter, lived in a world below. Here the stories begin. And walked out it, preaching. Preaching means giving religious lectures. So just as he did, you know, I'm reading again. Once when the god Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it giving religious lectures, just as he did, you know. I hope clear हो गया होगा बिना बोले. Once when the god Saint Peter, जो हमारी स्टोरी यहाँ से शुरू हो रही है, lived in the world below and walked about it giving religious lectures just as he do, you know. बता चुके हैं, अभी आगे आएगी. So door of a he came to a door of a cottage in traveling round the earth where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. So here what are rhyming scheme here? A B C D. So he came to the door, the Saint Peter. He here stand for Saint Peter. So Saint Peter came to his cottage at door of cottage in traveling round the earth where a little woman was baking a cake on the hearth. So let's move to the sixth stanza. So and being faint and fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her for a store of cake to give him a single one. मतलब जो एस.टी. पीटर है, मीन्स जो सेंट पीटर है, जो एस.टी. पीटर है उसने क्या करा कि केक मांगा उसके स्टोर केक से. सो he go inside and making a cake. I am मैं बाकी आपको अगली पार्ट 2 में बताऊंगा. यहाँ तक ही मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. आपको मैं एक बारी लास्ट बता रहा हूँ. सो ही मेड अ वेरी लिटल केक बट एज इट्स बेकिंग ले शी लुक्ड एट इट एंड थॉट इट सीम टू लार्ज टू गिव अवे. मतलब जब वो अपना उसने सोचा कि ये तो सेंट है, इसको तो ज़्यादा बड़ा देना नहीं चाहिए. सो ही थॉट टू गिव अ स्मॉल केक बट एज इज बेकिंग ले शी लुक्ड एट इट. जो उसने छोटा केक बनाया था उसको लगा कि ये बहुत बड़ा है. सो उसने सोचा कि दोबारा बनाती है तो बहुत बड़ा है. टू गिव अवे मतलब उसको देने के लिए तो बहुत बड़ा है, उसके लिए मैं छोटा सा बनाती हूँ. सो दिस फ्रॉम हेयर the part 2 begins. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.